I've accidentally bought a car. This is not the smoker that I'm still gonna get, guys, but I really wanted this car and I really wanted the body kit and specific wheels, but the smoker is still incoming. Oh, and I bought this in 24 hours.
You just come up like a normal person. You just don't need to be so good.
What is the best price you could do on this car? I haven't got an issue with the car.
It doesn't matter what colour you're wrapping.
10 to 2. Yeah.
But why are they so special? Yeah, I think I want a Range Rover Sport. It definitely has to be the V8 P530 4.4. So I'm looking online here, let me show you. You've got a few available. The issue you've got is a lot of these cars are red.
The first world problem I came across was there's not many choices available. I had two options, one in Tunbridge Wells and one miles away in Knaresborough. But I had the vision in mind with the exact spec.
It needs to be a 4.4 P530 V8 first edition, because then we can throw our kit onto it. So let me just show you this. So that is what I'll do to it. I'll put that kit on it. So let's get all them.
With not many options, I had to move quickly. It was time to call the two dealerships that had the only two black cars in the country.
Good afternoon, you're through to JLR in Tonbridge. My name's Jaden, how can I help you today?
Hi Jaden, you in sales, Jaden?
Yeah, that's right.
Hiya, is the 4.4 P530 still for sale? Is it still available?
I can certainly have a look for you. Okay, and what was your name, sorry?
Yanni.
Okay, not just so you know what I'll do, just pop you a quick call. I'm just going to have a look for you, pal. Alright.
Thank you, pal, cheers.
A few moments later.
So the vehicle's still available. Would you like any live videos or test drives on the car?
What's the condition of the car like?
The condition of the car is in pretty good nick, to be honest.
What does that mean?
Yeah.
Stone chipped or anything like that? I know it's only got 5,000 miles.
No stone chips on the vehicle, and it's literally is in really good condition.
Okay, is there any movement on that price? I'm trying to buy one today.
Yeah, we can definitely check that for you. What I'm going to do is first take your details and I'll pop you over to a specialist for you, and then they'll be able to negotiate on a price for you.
Ah, okay, so you don't deal with this, no?
My job role is to take the inquiry down, and then I'll pop you over to basically I need to qualify the client. Once I've qualified the client, then I can send it straight through to the specialist for you. And so Yanni spells it Y-I-A-N-N-I.
Correct, well done. A lot of people say Y-A.
Is it Yanni from Yiannimize?
It might be. Depends, is that going to get me a better deal?
I can tell from your voice. I'll watch it on YouTube, that's fine.
Cheers, man.
I like the content, man.
Thank you, man, I appreciate it, thank you.
Right, I'm just going to pop you over to my specialist now for you, alright?
Thank you very much, cheers.
Through to Jacob at Jackie Land over Tunbridge, how are you?
Hi, sorry, who am I speaking to?
Jacob.
Hi Jacob, how you doing, pal?
I'm very well, yourself?
Yeah, really good, mate, really good.
Whilst inquiring about the car, I had to ask about the limited availability.
Well, why are they so special, or just, I don't know?
Just, but I think with the 530 as well, there's just not many of them about, but they was only really available for a limited amount of time. There's a lot more diesels out there.
Yeah, online there's only two black ones available, the rest are all red. And yes, obviously I can buy a red one and wrap it, but for me to buy a red one, I'm going to want a stupid deal on it, and I'd rather just buy a black one. You've got one, and there's one other, there's a 73 reg one available as well.
And it was time to cut to the chase.
So talk to me, what's the best price if I bought this car today? What is the best price you could do on this car?
So, as I'm sure you can appreciate, I don't have the authorisation to say about prices. I'd need to speak to my used car manager, Danny, which I can do in just a second, that's not a problem. It's currently online at 97,980.
Yeah.
We've had it in stock a couple of months now.
So you want to get rid of this, then you need to get rid of this, then it's just sitting there.
Yeah, no, I'd need to go away and ask that question, it's not a problem. I'm pretty sure he's available now. So if I can just take down the number for yourself, and I'll be able to give you a call back.
I'll give you my mobile. If we can do a deal and we agree, I'll come up and see the car, probably come up Wednesday. I'll just buy it there and then.
Right, I'll go and speak to him. If we can sort of price, and obviously if we take your details, get you put on the system.
Yeah.
And then if you want to, you're welcome to reserve it, come down and view the car. If you're not happy with it, then of course money goes back to yourself. And then we can sort of move on from there.
Brilliant. Okay, that's great. I'll wait to hear. When do you reckon you'll call me back?
Give me 15 minutes.
Lovely, that's great. Thanks very much for your help.
Cheers, Yanni.
Cheers, bye-bye.
And for safe measure, in case that one falls through, and also to see if I could get a better deal, I had to speak to the second dealership.
Hello?
Red Line, how can I help you?
Yeah, hi. Can I speak to someone in sales, please?
This is Chris, how can I help?
Hi, Chris. I see you got a Land Rover 4.4 P530 V8 first edition on for sale?
As far as I can see, that's still available. Anything I can help with? Do you want to come and see it? Do you want any more information?
You are miles away. Whereabouts are you based?
We're in a small town called Knaresborough, which is just outside Harrogate, situated between Leeds and York.
Yeah, you're miles away. I'd rather just, if I'm going to buy the car, just buy it blind, but obviously I'll get a video of it. Is there any movement on that price?
Well, you know, I won't say we're firm on prices, and there's always a deal to be done. Do you want me to get someone to get a video across to you, and then we'll go from there?
I'll be honest with you, if you can do me the right price, I'll buy the car today. Simple as that.
What is the right price? What are you in your head? And don't touch it wrong. In your head, what's the right price?
Listen, there's 2 cars online. There's 2 black ones online. Everywhere else, there's red ones. Your car's got higher mileage than a main dealer car at the moment, but your car is a 73 versus a 23.
Yeah.
If that car can come for early 90s, I'll buy the car.
All right, that's the question. What's your name, sorry?
Yanni.
Yeah, mate. Right, let me ask the question. Give me like 10-15 minutes to give you a bell back.
Brilliant. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris. Thanks, Chris, for your help. Cheers, pal.
Nice to speak to you, Yanni.
Bye, matey. Bye-bye. And then I got a call back from Jacob, the first Range Rover dealership. Hello.
Hi Yanni, it's Jacob from Jaguar Land Rover Tunbridge.
Hey, pal.
Hiya. I've just spoken to my management in regards to the first edition. Looking at the numbers on the car, at the minute it does already make us a financial loss. And so it's not the biggest of discounts, unfortunately. It's up to 97,980. They'd be prepared to let it go for 97.
97, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you know what, Jacob? Let me think about it. I'll be honest. I've rang the other black car that's available as well, to see what deal they'll do on that one, because I think it's Redline that I've got it. So let me see what they come back with, and then I'll let you know. But I appreciate you coming back to me and giving me your best price. So Chris from Redline just sent me a WhatsApp saying, all right, pal, it's Chris at Redline here. Car is SOR. SOR means sale or return. I'm just waiting to hear back from the owner and what he would take. We'll give you a call as soon as I've heard back. Okay, so that means they don't own the car. So it looks like it's getting more pushed towards the other people, the main dealer. And with all the options in front of me, I need to get a second opinion from my good friend Simon from Urban Automotive.
Hello, mate.
Simone, how are you? Tunbridge Land Rover, the best deal they'll do on that car is 97 grand.
All inflation buys give you a step-by-step buy. Nothing off it at all, then, yeah?
Well, £850, whatever it was.
Yeah. I managed to get mine for 94 in the end.
Yeah.
But I think at the time there was about 10 online, all at the similar money.
Yeah,
so it was kind of fighting for the business. Now there's only a couple of...
There's 2 black ones, the rest are red. And the other one's at Redline. I've rang Redline, but theirs is an SOR, so they've got to come back to me with the best price, but he ain't going to reduce it down. What do you reckon if I can... There's a red one, 2373, that I reckon I can get around 90 grand.
Yeah, it's just red underneath, isn't it?
I know.
It doesn't matter what colour you wrap it, it's still red. It's like a dog underneath it. Like if you wrap it white, it'll be like a...
It was safe to say Simon from Urban was not a fan of the red. And before I knew it, Jacob from Tunbridge Wells Range Rover sent over a personal video of the car, even though I never asked for it.
Hi Yanni, it's Jacob from Jaguar Land Rover Tunbridge. Just thought I'd send across a walk around video of the Range Rover Sport first edition.
This was a nice touch. He got me. It really made me want to get that car. I headed straight to the dealership to see the car in person, and I was ready to buy it. So we're here, already I've clocked there's a receptionist there, so I'm sure she'll greet me and see who I'm here to see. I'll probably be scared of a camera. Hiya, how are you? You okay?
Hi, I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Is Jacob here, please?
Jacob,
yeah.
Yep, I've just given him a call.
Oh, you already knew I was coming, didn't you?
I did. Can we get you a drink at all?
Can I have, just still water, please?
Still water.
Sorry, do you want anything? Just still water, please, thank you.
Do you want to come on through?
Yeah? Customer service, already 1010.
Around the cars then, please.
Yeah, I'll have a little look around while he's coming,
All
yeah?
right. I'm going to have to check whether
That's
we're
fine,
allowed
don't
to
worry. Yeah,
film.
that's fine.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay, don't be silly.
I'll just need to check.
That's
on
fine,
that.
just get it checked. That's fine, that's okay. Thank you, cheers.
Do you like a glass?
No, that's fine. Thank you very much.
Don't want anything? Okay.
Thank you, cheers. Yeah, listen, customer service already is 1010. Showroom's lovely. Really, really nice. What, is this the first edition? Yeah, so look, that's the car. So that's the first edition 4.4 that I was telling you about, but they're all red or black. So online, there's a zillion red ones, and there's only 2 black ones, and one of them is here. The black one's always better for resale, but in real life, I think the red one looks really nice. And you've got to remember, it's going to change fully. Bumpers are going to change, wheels are going to change, arches are changing, exhaust, side steps. Nice is nice.
This is nice, it feels really comfortable. The kit is what's key for this car. Would I buy it if I was keeping it standard? No. But the fact that I am going to put the big kit on it, the big wheel, and I think I'm going to put a dish wheel if I take this car. That's what I think I'm going to do. Hi.
How you doing, Jacob?
Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you, man. You well? Okay,
Yeah,
you
very
good,
well,
yeah?
thank you, yeah.
After meeting Jacob, we headed over to see the car.
Look, you can tell they cleaned it, look.
So there's a few unanswered questions you probably have. Like, why didn't I get the car from Grange, who I previously bought my Range Rover from?
And I fell out with Grange. You know why I fell out with them? No. Because I had an SV on order, okay? I bought loads of cars from them, had an SV on order, kept longing me out, and I was like, he goes, have they not phoned you yet? I was like, no. He goes, oh, tell me no one's phoned you? No. I'm like, no one has had any contact with me about speccing this car. Another 5 weeks went, they were like, I can't believe no one's contacted you. I've spoken to them, they said they're gonna phone you. Then they said, okay, you can spec it at Goodwood. But this was last year at Goodwood, yeah? Right. And what happened on the Saturday? Goodwood got shut down, didn't it, because of the weather? Yeah. So we're like, okay, you know what, we'll arrange it. I said, can I come into the showroom and spec it? They're like, no, no one's allowed to come into the showroom. What do you mean, why? You got to do it online. I'm like, come on, man, it's a 200 grand car. It's not a normal Ranger. I want to come in and spec it.
More personal.
I just want to spec it. Yeah. Mess me around, and it just continued. I was like, you know what, just cancel order.
So your full-size Range Rover, was that just
I've still got it.
You still got it? Is that an autobiography then?
No, that was because it was an early one. It was D350. Yeah. So it was cool, really nice car. I loved it for a bit, and then I just put it out to rent.
Yes, that's correct. I still own some of the cars, and I don't sell them all. So you all know that I'm very close with P from FMC, who also sponsored the Yiannimize Grand Tour. So some of my cars actually go out on rent. So when I'm getting rid of my cars, I either sell them, or I give them to P, and he rents them out for me. It's a nice side hustle.
But this car will go straight from here, straight to Urban. I'll put the full kit, the wheels and everything on it, and then this will be my main daily.
So yes, I'm still on the hunt for a car. Even though I'm buying this one, it allows me to branch out and get something I can really have fun with. But for now, let's go for a test drive with this Range Rover Sport.
Okay, right, let's do a first start. Driving test. Yeah. Let's do the 10 to 2. Yeah. Right, I'll just come out here, another first roundabout, turn right. Oh wow, it picks up nice, doesn't it?
It's a smooth delivery, it's not too, it's different to the SVR.
What brake horsepower is this?
So P530, so it's petrol, 530 horsepower. That's
okay,
how they're
so that's why they've named it, yeah? What's the SV engine?
So it was 530 as well, and now they've upgraded it to the 615, so 615 horsepower.
But is it the same engine?
They were the Range Rover SV 615 and then the Sport SV 635.
It's a theory that you could remap this. Shouldn't do because it's invalid warranty, but you could.
Didn't hear that bit.
You didn't hear that, but you could theoretically do that and get the maximum power out of this. I do like the fact you've got the big pan roof. Actually, really nice, really comfortable. Definitely more comfortable than the Urus. It's nice when you just even a little bit of the acceleration as well. You can just feel it pull.
Yeah, it wants to go.
Very quickly, yeah. It's not a bad sound, is it? It's weird because a lot of people will slate Range Rover saying, they break down and you have this issue, the battery issue, this. Mate, I've had so many Range Rovers over the years, I've never had an issue.
Yeah.
I think I just must be fortunate. You know, sometimes you can get a Friday afternoon car, or it can be a bit, that car's a bad car.
Yeah.
All the Range Rovers I've had over the years, and I've got to have probably 15 plus, never had an issue, ever. So, nice car. Jacob's fantastic.
Appreciate it.
Really enjoyed this car. I think this is a great car. I think it's really luxurious, really comfortable. It's got the speed. I think with the kit and all the bits I'm going to do to it, I like it. Let's see. So this car was up for how much?
97,980. That had previously been reduced. We had it up for 106.
So I went inside, spoke to Jacob and his manager, and got straight into business.
So, right, we're going to do a deal. Are we shaking hands today, me and Jacob?
I hope so. How would you like me to approach this?
Just listen, I'll buy the car today. Okay, I'm not taking it today, don't worry, but I'll buy the car. I know you've got to do paperwork. I'll buy the car today. Just tell me, Jan, I'm prepared to do this, and this. Shake my hand.
I'm wondering where to position this. So the market for the car is where we priced it.
Yeah.
The gesture we've offered, well, I think it's a fair one. If I could offer an amazing discount further to that, I'd have given it to Jake and asked him to come talk to you. I'll give you a little bit more, but it's going to be negligible amount. It's just to go, do you know what, I really want your business. I haven't got the money in the pot to do it, but it's a gesture. And what I'll do, I'll give you another 250 quid.
Okay.
It's not going to change your world, but it's just me going, look, I really want to help you. I want to show that I want to do some business, but I can't do a lot more for it.
Okay, so 96,750.
Yep.
Plus a full tank of fuel.
Yep.
Plus road tax, and I'll shake your hand now.
Don't do anything road tax. Promise you.
Have a word. I don't even know how much road tax is.
Listen, I'll phone up the Chancellor and see if I can negotiate. But no, I genuinely can't do anything more with road tax. If you want to go and pick yourself an accessory or something you really like, look, I'll throw that in and stuff like that, but I can't do anything with road tax.
Okay, does it need a service? But you said if it needs a service, it will be serviced before I take the car, obviously.
It's within the next 3 months or 3,000 miles we service it.
Okay.
For me personally, if I was spending 97 grand on a car, I'd want it done in the next 6 months. So
Yeah.
we'll look at that.
Okay.
It's the right thing to do.
Okay, so the service will be part of it.
If it's due within the next 6 months.
Okay, yeah, obviously if it's not, then it doesn't matter, that's fine. So if it's due in the next 6 months, that's fine.
Yep.
What else do I need to know? It's a one owner car, as you said. You don't even know if it's had its first service, do you? It's got 5,800 miles, so.
Well, it should be due in or around now, so it's 12 months old.
It's 12 months old now, yeah.
12,000 miles or 10,000 miles, I mean.
Yeah, because the 2 years is 2 years, 21,000 miles. So I think it's.
Oh, okay. So it's
12
different.
or 12 months, 11,000.
I haven't sold cars for 8 years. They were 10,000 miles or 12 months. So.
Okay. Okay. Deal. Deal. I bought the car because of this man. So, but that's the deal.
Appreciate it.
The deal was done, signed on the dotted line, and the car was officially mine. With the dealership dropping the car to mine in a few days, I couldn't help myself and started making calls about modifying the car.
Send me a picture of like 3-4 wheels I can choose whether they're in stock or we have to order in, and then I will choose a wheel, my pedigree chum, and then we'll get them ordered in. Gotta go all out. But yeah, I do fancy a silver wheel. Silver wheel different. We've had black, we've had white, we've had everything. So silver wheel on the black car for now, and then when I decide to wrap it, we can mix it up. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Silver wheel. So I'm waiting for my car to be delivered, and Jacob has just called me and said they've got an issue with the car. So when I go onto the Land Rover app, and it's telling me it's got multiple issues, and it's saying urgent top-up required. So it looks like the oil is low. They don't want to drive the car, so they've called JLR out. So yeah, we'll wait for him to turn up and he can tell us the story himself. But listen, even when you're getting cars delivered, things do go wrong. But he did keep me informed, he did tell me, so it is what it is. But at least they have oil in the car when it arrives. Let's see what he says. So Range Rover's pulling in. There it is. Obviously I've been keeping an eye on the app. I know they just filled it up for me. So Jacob's doing handover. Hello Jacob again.
Hello Yanni.
How are you?
Very well, yourself?
Do you have a stressful morning?
It has been a little bit stressful, but we're here now. That's
so
the main thing.
we had, what happened? The oil light come on, didn't it?
Oil light come on, needed a refill, so we called the assist. They've come out and rectified that. So
they came out really quick, didn't they?
They did, yeah, priority. So it's customer delivery.
And what did you just put like a litre oil in?
Litre oil, it comes up exactly what it's, because it's for customers, a litre, so they don't do any overfilling or underfilling.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
and to be fair, it was actually really cool because I could see it on my app. Because obviously we set up the was it called in control? In control. So we set up the in control before he left, so then I could monitor where the car was and stuff. I could see they had an issue, but he'd called me and said, yeah, listen, etc., etc. But yeah, it's fine. And I saw it went to 80% petrol, and you stopped just around the corner to put it to 100%.
Yeah.
I love that's customer service. I love that. Besides from that, car's fine, no issues.
Fine, yeah. It's had its full valet, it's had the 4-wheel alignment done.
So what do we need to do? What's left?
Just change ownership, tax, and one document online which should be in your inbox waiting for you.
Okay, fine. I'm just looking. I can see like a little car in there.
Yeah, there's a couple of bits in there.
Okay.
You've got your Range Rover handover box.
Oh, nice. There's my 2 keys. What's this, like a flask?
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Very nice, isn't it?
And then you've got your little Range Rover to match as well. You might want to wrap up in the same colour.
Why is it not black? Why is it red?
Oh, there is only a red one.
Is that because they only? To be fair, they made that many of them in red, didn't they?
Yeah.
That's it. It's fine. We'll make it black.
After the last signature being signed for and the last bits being sorted out, the deal was done.
Myself and Jacob, I appreciate you. Hopefully it's going to be the first of many.
Hopefully so.
I've got my new Range Rover, and now it's time to do what I do best. For you guys, I'm going to probably ruin it, but for me, full body kit and a new colour incoming. Jacob, thank you. Safe journey back.
Appreciate it. Thanks
again.
again.
My toy now, and I'm going to have some fun.